Hello, 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 and welcome back, my friends. We are rounding the corner here, heading towards the end. It's week 9. We just got a couple more weeks to get through, and then we will be done. Most of you are doing quite well in the class. If you are not doing well, your time to turn it around is fast running out. So please, 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 I will take any late work you have. I will still take from this quarter. So I highly recommend if you're just sitting there, you've given up, you're like, there's no way I can do all of this. You definitely can. You just need to sit down and make yourself, okay? So that's my message for all of you who are having a little trouble. If you're not having any trouble, that's awesome. Way to go. Once again, I am still willing to challenge you to a forum of your choice in a grand competition of reflexes and, um, I guess, brains, and see who comes out ahead. So if you are interested, come to one of our classes. All right. What are we doing this week? This week is really, really straightforward. Shouldn't give anyone any trouble. We're just continuing with our research of materials. I don't really have anything new to add to the lecture from last week, so if you're interested in kind of what I had to say about materials, please go and watch that video. It's posted in my MCPS along with every other video I've ever done. We're still looking to identify fundamental properties of materials, but now you guys are going to be doing it through a little bit more research. Last week we looked at a TEDx or a TED Talk. This week you're going to look at a couple of videos where we can see how a particular product is manufactured, what materials go into it, and how we determine those materials based on their properties. And then you're going to do a little bit of looking around for some properties of materials in your home, and you're going to read a short article on material properties and answer some questions. So it shouldn't take you too long. It's a little bit lengthier than last week's. So last week was a little bit more of a break. This week's a little bit more work, but the concepts aren't too difficult. So the assignment is posted on my MCPS under the Distance Learning Marking Period 4. It's titled Materials All Around Us. That's all I really have to say to you guys. So please, please, please do come to our live sessions and we can chat more. I'm happy to explain anything you need help with. We can even just sit down and do the assignment together. If you need that extra motivation, I'm here for you. If you're doing well in the class and you really don't need it, that's okay too. The meetings are voluntary, but they're kind of lonely if you don't show up. So I highly recommend you do come. All right, that's all I have. Have a great day and have a nice short week.